Hello everyone. This is Elil, Assistant Professor from the Department of Pharmacognosy, Sri Shanmugam College of Pharmacy. So, today I'm going to talk about the one of the important and interesting topic in pharmacognosy. So, plant hormones. So, we all know plants grow and respond to light, heal wounds, and even adapt to the stress. But plant also controls all these activities by some chemical signalings. So that is called the plant hormones, and also it is called as phytohormones. So here I have some pictures to show you for your reference. This is the parts of plants. So let's begin with the plant hormones. So plant hormones are chemical substances produced in the plants that controls their growth, development, and response. So the legal definition is organic compound. Phytohormones are the organic compound, so which is present in very low concentration in plant and controls the physiological process on plants. So unlike humans, plants don't have any nervous systems. So instead of the nerves, they use some chemical signaling. So even in very small amounts, these hormones can cause major changes. Like for example, a plant bending toward the lights and fruits ripening and also the leaves falling. So all these activities are controlled by the plant hormones. So some important features of the plant hormones are so it is produced in the one part of the plant and also act in the another part. So it is work in very small quantities and also it can either promote or inhibit their growth. Okay, so also they don't work alone. So they interact with each other phytohormones. So next is the role of the growth regulators. So they regulate the cell division and enlargement and cell differentiation and organogenesis. So senescence it means aging and dormancy. So dormancy means stopping of a growth of a plant parts and also fruits ripening and then used in the plant tissue culture and it also enhance the production of secondary metabolites. So there are five major plant hormones is there. One is auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins, ethylene, and abscisic acids. So now let's discuss each one in a simple way. So first is about the auxins. So auxin it is derived from the Greek word called auxin, which means to grow. It promotes the elongation of coleoptile tissue. So auxins are the first discovered plant hormones. So examples of the auxins are indole acetic acid, and the synthetic auxins are indole 3 butyric acid and naphthyl acetic acid and 2,4 dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. So the functions of auxins are it stimulates the internode elongations and also it means it promotes the cell elongation and also it helps in the root formation and it controls the phototrophism. It means it makes a plant growth toward the light. Okay, so simple example, like when a plant bends towards the sunlight it because oxygens accumulate on the one side and cause elongations. Okay, so and also it stimulate the root initiation and the stem cutting propagation. It helps to produce the adventitious rooting in the tissue culture and it also delays the aging of the plant. It means senescence. Okay, so and also they are used in the agricultural for root development used in the tissue culture. Okay, so next main function of the main functions is tropistic response. So tropistic response means there are two types of tropistic response. One is a gravitropism and another one is a phototropism. So gravitropism is a response of the plant to the gravity and the response of the plant to the light means a phototropism and the response to the gravity is gravitropism. So gravitropism is divided into two types. One is positive gravitropism and negative gravitropism. So positive gravitropism means it causes the roots to grow downwards, and a negative gravitropism means it makes the shoots to grow upwards. So phototropism is a growth or movement of the plant in response to the light stimulus. Okay, so most plants should exhibit the positive phototropisms only. So it means they grow towards the light source. So sometimes roots on the other hand often exhibit the negative phototropism. Okay, so it means they grow away from the light. Okay, so as I told before, some applications are they are helps in vegetative propagations and also parthenography, fruit development, and plant tissue cultures, and increasing the production of a secondary metabolites. So next plant hormone is about the cytokinin. So cytokinin derived from the two words. One is cyto means cell and kinin means divisions. So cytokinin promotes the cell division in the plants and also it's found in young and actively dividing tissue. Okay, so there are two types of cytokinins there. One is natural and synthetic. So natural cytokinins are zeatin, isofenterin, aminopurine, and N6 dimethylaminopurine. So synthetic are kinetin and N-diphenylurea. So functions of cytokinins are it stimulates the cell division of the plant and also it helps in the seed germination and promotes the growth of axillary bud and development of embryo during the seed germination, and it stimulates the morphogenesis and it helps in the chlorophyll synthesis and it delays the senescence of plant. Okay, so as like auxin, it also involved in the delaying of senescence of plant and also it enhances the stomatal opening in some species of the plant. Okay, so these are all some applications of cytokinin. It enhances the cell division in the plant tissue culture, shoot initiation, and it to increase the growth of vegetables. So it helps to break the dormancy of seeds and also increase in the secondary metabolite. It reduces the rate and the extent of a chlorophyll and the protein degradation. So next is about the gibberellin. So they are present in a young tissue, root, embryo, and also germinating seeds, shoot, bud, and etc. So they named as a gibberellic acid. So gibberellic acid 1, 2, 3. Like according to their order of discovery, they are categorized like this, like gibberellic acid 1, 2, etc. So gibberellic acid 3 is a gibberellic acid which is frequently used. Okay, it is first discovered from the fungus called Zibberella fusariae by the Kurosawa, a Japanese physiologist, founded that fungus is grown on the rice. So functions of the gibberellins are it promotes the cell elongations and also internal cell elongation and also helps to break the seed and bud dormancy. So it helps to increase in the size of leaves and it relays the senescence and it promotes the bolting. It means the stem elongation before the flowering. And when gibberellin used in the lower concentrations, it increases the yield of glycosides per shoot of digitalis. It increases the volatile oil content of anthem species and also it increases the height of the castor plant and also it helps to delay the fruit maturity, like fruit ripening. So next is about the ethylene. It is a simple organic molecule present in the form of volatile gas. So it is also called as volatile hormones. It is present in the ripening fruits and flowers, stem, roots, tubes, and seeds, etc. So it also present in the aging part of the plants. Okay, it is discovered by the Gann. He found that gas evolved from the ripe apple can also affect the ripening of a green apple and found that it was ethylene gas. So then Crocker he recognized it as a plant hormone. Then functions of ethylene are the main function of ethylene is fruit ripening and it helps in the abscission of a leaf and also it suppresses the stem and root elongations. So it also affect the flower opening and flower petal discolorations. So when ethylene and oxins are in balance, they are used to suppress the axillary bud formations. Okay. So next is about the abscisic acid. So it is produced by the aging leaves and fruits. And when plants are stressed, means when plants are in unfavorable conditions. So that's the reason we called it as a stressed hormone. Okay. So Waring and Robinson's called it Darwin. Okay. So it is discovered by the Adicat and associates, and it is first isolated abscin 1 and abscin 2 from cotton balls and the functions of abscisic acids are it promotes the abscission of different organs and different organs and it increases the seed and the bud dormancy. Okay, so it also inhibits the growth, and it causes this seed dormancy and helps the plant survive stress like drought. Okay, for example, during the like example, if during the water shortage, abscisic acid helps to close the stomata and reduces the water loss. Okay, so like plant hormones don't work individually, so they interact like auxin with a cytokinin should cause a balanced growth, and abscisic acid versus gibberellins causes the dormancy and germination. So plant growth is basically a combined effect of all hormones. So now coming to the our field of pharmacognosy, so plant hormones influences the secondary metabolites and also sometimes importance in the drug productions and used in the plant tissue culture for the medicinal plants. So production of alkaloids can be enhanced using the hormones, and plant hormones are widely used in the agriculture, horticulture, and biotechnology and pharmaceutical research, and also they helps in the increasing the yield. Um, and improving the quality and also foster the growth. Okay, so to conclude this, plant hormones are small molecule with huge impact, and they control everything from the growth to the stress response. So understanding them helps us in the better farming and drug development and also scientific research. Okay, so thank you.